Hello, girls and boys. Welcome back to Read Me a Story. I'm Kozyra, and I'm the author of this book, Tips and Tidbits for Parents and Teachers. This is a book for your mommy and daddy to read, and it tells them about all the things I have learned in my 50 years of teaching. Today, though, I'm going to sing you a book, and it's called It's Raining, It's Pouring. Here we go. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He bumped his head and he went to bed, and he couldn't get up in the morning. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. It's cloudy, it's breezy, the old man is sneezy. He blew so hard that he moved the stars, but of course that wasn't easy. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. It's snowing, it's blowing, the old man is growing. He ate so much one day for lunch, every part of him was showing. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. It's warm out and sunny, the old man loves honey. He tried to seize a batch from the bees, and they didn't think it funny. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. It's cold, damp and chilly, the old man's name is Willie. He tripped and fell in the big old well, oh my gosh did he look silly. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. It's gusty, it's windy, the old man's wife is Cindy. With ants in their pants, they started to dance and ended up doing the Lindy. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. Whatever the season, cloudy, sunny, breezin', if he gets to bed without bumping his head, then the old man thinks it's pleasin'. Rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. And that's the end of that story. Rain, rain, go away. See you next time for Read Me a Story. Bye-bye now.